Okay, this is a video for the Video Master. So in group 2 here, you'll see Rita is the Video Master because she has that old school camera next to her. So scrolling down, you need to start and record the video. So this job's super important. It's very important that you are on time and move quickly because the start of the meeting is based on you. So the first thing you're going to do, let me go back here, is you're going to be in Microsoft Teams, right? Here's all your classes. You'll have one that says Humanities. You'll click on it. Okay, you were in group 2, so you're going to come down here to group 2, and you'll see there's something, let's pretend it's Wednesday. So Wednesday, August 26th group work. Down below it says click above to join video, but then for Video Master, click reply to start video. So this part's super important. You click reply, and you'll see, make sure you scroll down if you need to, a little camera right there. That means meet now. One more time, okay? You have to click reply if you're the Video Master, and then click on the camera. So once I click on that, it's going to say meet now. For some reason my camera isn't working, so we'll ignore that. And the meeting has started. Click on these 3 little dots as soon as you get in here, and you're going to click Start Recording. Okay? This screen will come up, or the line at the top that says you're recording. You can dismiss that, doesn't really matter. And that's it. That's all you got to do. When it ends, make sure you click Hang Up. So I'd be the last one to leave as well. Click Hang Up. And then when I go back here, it will record the call right there. So Miss Zach can go back, myself, and look at your guys' meeting. Okay? I'm going to go through the whole process one more time because it's a little bit complicated. So you go to Microsoft Teams, click on your team. Whatever group you're in is on the side here in your channels. You're group 2, right? How do I know I'm group 2? Miss Zach told me, but also we're listed under group 2. Okay? Click group 2. Then you're going to find today's group work. It should be very easy. You're the Video Master, so you click reply to start the video. Reply. Make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom. And there's a little video link right there. So the first part is you click reply, click on this video. Meet now. Here's my meeting. When I get in here, I also need to record. So I need to click on these 3 dots, start recording. Okay, and you'll know you're doing it if it says you're recording. Okay, and the end, hang up, and that's it. Alrighty, there you go. That's for the Video Master.